Another area, which includes aspects of circularity, is energy generation on farms, whereby energy generated via technologies like wind, hydroelectric, and solar can produce green energy without greenhouse gas impacts. Although obviously the construction of technologies themselves, transporting them and setting them up on farm currently have variable greenhouse gas impacts depending on the methods used. In an ideal system setup, the main output from energy generation is recycled back for use on farms in the form of heating and lighting livestock buildings, powering new technologies, and even allowing more scope for conversion to electrical machinery on farms. Whilst largely this links with the reduce premise of the reduce, reuse, recycle aspects of circularity, as it leads to a reduction of fossil fuels and greenhouse gas heavy fuels, it also has some inherent self-circularity if built into farm infrastructures. All of these aspects of use, as well as on-farm residential use, could be considered before farm gate, utilising and avoiding using energy from the grid, reducing food production energy use overall, and greenhouse gas emission profiles. Following this application, any excessive produced electricity, particularly in high producing areas or during periods of high production in the year, such as the summer for solar energy, could be sold back to the grid, acting as an alternative revenue source. Inherently, this reduces the electrical energy in the grid related to high greenhouse gas production methods. The more people that utilize such technology and can in an idealistic indirect way be considered to help further benefit the greenhouse gas and energy uses associated with the after farm gate aspects of the food supply chain. And there are also further benefits to residential and other general electricity use.